You want to become a BIM engineer or a BIM modeler? Do you want to confidently crack BIM interviews? Then congratulations, you are at the right place. In this BIM Fundamental series, I have covered only interview-based topics and based on real working professionals and students who have already attended BIM interviews. So this series will help you build strong BIM fundamentals and crack the BIM interviews with confidence. Now let's quickly jump into the topic BIM Fundamentals Everyone Should Know Part 1. Here we will discuss what is BIM, who uses BIM, why BIM is important, and misconceptions about BIM. In the interview, the very first common question asked is what is BIM or what is BIM stands for and what are its definition. So BIM means Building Information Modeling. And what is BIM and what is its definition? BIM is a process. This is very important. BIM is not a software. It is the process of creating and working on digital representation of what? Buildings, infrastructures, and places. And what these 3D intelligent digital models do, they represent physical and functional characteristic of a building. So the model shows both physical details like shape, sizes, etc. and functional details, how it works. So simple understanding, BIM means building digitally before building physically. And this is also one of a common question. Who uses BIM? So people in the AEC platform or AEC industry uses BIM. And A stands for architecture, E for engineering, and C for construction. Or architects, engineers, and construction team uses BIM. And what they do actually. So what is the purpose of using the BIM? So they use BIM to plan, design, to construct, and manage the project. And the common misunderstanding about what is BIM. So many a times when the interviewer asks what is BIM, the reason for getting rejected from the interview is BIM is a software is the answer. So that is wrong. BIM is to generate 3D modeling. Some candidates have said they also got rejected. And it's a very common misconception that BIM is Autodesk Revit or BIM is a tool like Revit. No, that's not. Always remember, BIM is a complete process. The keyword here is process of creating a digital model, working on it through the project life cycle. As we have seen earlier, we can plan, we can design, we can construct, and we can manage. So it's a complete process and a life cycle of the building. Well, why do we use BIM? This is also one of a common question asked in the interview, or some interviewer will ask you what are the advantages of BIM or what is the merits of BIM. So obviously BIM reduces construction cost, reduces conflicts between different rates and avoid any rework. So improves project quality and improves predictability, and main thing, improves the review and approval process to and fro with the clients. So in simple understanding, whatever saves time, money and effort, we have no issues to opt it. So BIM saves our time, BIM saves our money, and BIM saves our efforts. So these are all the advantages and merits of BIM. That is why we use BIM. And hey, thank you. In the next video, part 2, we will discuss what is BIM coordination, what are the traits involved, and why clashes happen, and importance of clash detection. Okay, and don't miss, these are all the interview based topics. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this. See you on part 2. Thank you.